to it.
That makes it really fluid to just link ideas as you think of them, even if the destination note isn't written.
Specifically for triggering outgoing webhooks based on table data.
Webhooks linked to table rows.
Okay.
That opens possibilities.
It does. And the source mentions a contacts or CRM overview page that's actually built using these data tables. So they seem pretty flexible.
What's really fascinating there is bringing that structured
Search.
meaning AI-powered.
Correct. There's a search bar in the complete backup or migration path.
Okay, good data portability. Now,
Visual website buttons, get started, learn more, sign up now, explore features, individual users, or maybe small teams covered by the premium tier.
right. Okay, so let's try to wrap this up. Based on everything in these source documents, Neuron 5.0 comes across as aiming to be quite comprehensive, doesn't it?
Definitely. Far beyond just a simple note app. It's integrating advanced note features, structured data via those data tables, project management with